Coop. Somebody's happy. So we're just out stretching our legs today. It's a little bit snowy, as you can see. It's been a mix of snow and rain most of the day. It's starting to accumulate now though and start sticking around. The dogs love it. And we're lucky to have this big field behind the house that we can just kind of enjoy every now and then. How to meet it. Oh, beauty. Hi. If you can't tell, she's excited. And he could care less. He's like, yeah, cool. Let's go. Let's go places. Just trying to clean the snow off every now and then, try to keep it from accumulating on you. Hi, buddy. Oh, you're getting, you got a little dust on you. It's really starting to stick. I was flirting with fate right there. I probably shouldn't have been on that ice. Abby, come! Oh, here she comes. Full speed engaged. Good girl. Only one call. I'll take it. Oh, that's... I don't know if you can hear that, but that ice didn't want me on it. The snow kind of clinging to the trees is, yeah. I think that's my favorite part of winters. That right there. That could be interesting. Take a walk in through there sometime. Oh yeah, we just kind of, a lot of times we just walk the fence line here and make a nice little day's walk of it when maybe the trails are a little bit messy or whatnot. And we kind of do our own thing. The winter is nice down through here. The snow is really coming down now. It's quite pretty. Quite pretty. I don't imagine today it's any point to use horizon lock or anything. There's no horizon. What do you think, Goop? She never even seen him there. She was so focused on her smell. Oh, what did... She's so blissfully unaware of, like, everything. She's comical. And he's just going along with it, loving it. Thank you, buddy. Those trees are beautiful. Oh, I wish I had a skidoo. This field would be so much fun. Do you not agree? It's great for the walk. It's great for a walk, but I mean, really, to live right here, right next to this field, not have a skidoo, it's kind of almost feels criminal. Although most times, most winters we don't hold on to our accumulations of snow, or snowfalls, I guess I should say, not our accumulation. Our snowfalls don't necessarily stick around. They come and go, come and go, come and go. A lot of them melt. Starting to be some pretty big flakes. Temperature's getting a little bit down further. You can feel it just kind of dropping. Anyway, we thought we'd get out for a short little stroll on New Year's Day and enjoy the snowfall while it's happening, and you can't deny the beauty in it. And the puppies seem to they enjoy it. Hey, Bee Coop. I can't even see my host now. Hey, honey. But like I was saying, we thought we'd just get out for a little walk. Nothing spectacular. Or overly strenuous. But there's usually I'd be watching junior hockey or something like that, but not going very far with the roads like this. This is when they're kind of the worst, in my opinion. Not a whole lot built up, but they're just kind of, it's building up and then a build and melt, build and melt. Makes them pretty greasy for the most part. No, you don't come in and body check your brother, you little oh, she's a little worm. Could you not see her intention there? I think that was her whole thing, was she come right in with a sideways wiggle. What a hound. She's a nut. Now she's getting wore out. She's got to run up, have a little lay down, eat some hydrations now. Go, girl. Go, Abby the burner. Yes. Yes, he got the bounces too. He got the bounces too. Excuse me. I still got a little bit of my cough left from. She coming in for a body check. Cooper, look out. She'll take you out, brother. What are you doing? Oh my. Yeah. Yeah, I think I made the right choice. I think I made the right choice getting off the couch for a little while. Oh yeah, it's really starting to build up. It's a nice walk. Short little walk. Sometimes we spend a little bit more time out here, but yeah, the field's a little bit wet for me to get down and kind of play with them and roll around in the snow with them. But maybe by tomorrow, if this keeps up, we'll have some decent snow coverage, and and a walk down through here will look a little bit different. But it's still pretty nice right now, if you ask me. It's pretty comfortable walking. Good footing. Pretty good way to spend a day. Oh, you. Come here, Muffin. Yes. She gotta have some snow to cool off. Yes, because she's crazy. Arr. Oh, I love you, Abby. You're so funny. And then you got Mr. Serious here. There's no time for games. Ain't no time for love. We got miles to cover. Oh my. He's all business. What are you doing, Abby? Oh, oh, honey. Abby wiped out on some ice. Careful. Like she knows. Might as well be speaking Russian to her. Yeah. I'm glad I came. Cooper! Cooper bud. Nothing. Leave me alone, Dad. Oh, dude. Got a happy little saunter. Whew. Oh my, yeah, I don't think I'm gonna walk across that spot. No, thank you. I choose life. It's not that bad, but I choose dry ankles. Drier ankles. Oh yeah, tomorrow morning is gonna be something else. The sun's already on its way down here now. But tomorrow sunrise, that's gonna be something nice. And I'm kind of wondering what that acreage over in there looks like. I'd like to just take a stroll down through there. Yeah, it's real packy snow now. Thank you for watching. If you made it this far, I appreciate you. Hopefully we catch you on the next one.